here? Oh my God! I just tried to
Yes, this is a bear. This is a bear. Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
Hey, buddy, you want to come in? Oh my gosh, he is nibbling.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Lock the door. Lock the door.
That was awesome. You want to lock yours too?
The homeowners were stunned when they checked the security footage and saw who'd visited them in the middle of the night. After the flooding in the Indian city of Vadodara, rivers overflowed, and with the rising waters, crocodiles showed up on the streets.